Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing my own acrylics. As you can see, these are like just little nubs, and I don't know how this hand's going to turn out because I'm right-handed and not left-handed. So without further ado, let's just see what I could do. So I am a beginner to nails, but I said in the beginning, my mom bought me a kit. So these are the tips that came in the kit, and as you can see, I'm running very low, but on the large ones I am not, because they obviously do not fit my fingers or my sister's fingers or my cousin's fingers. Those are the people that I've done nails to. But yeah, anyways, and then I have some acrylic powder because the kit that I got did not come with any like acrylic powder or monomer, so we got it separately from Kiss. So I have my acrylic powder. And then I have the acrylic liquid, which is just like monomer. This is the stuff that did come in the kit. So I'm going to be doing one nail glitter. So like I have a jar full of glitters. And then some cute jewels. And then I have nail glue, which I need more of. Okay, so I found my color and I'm just going to be doing this like nude color. And then I think I'm going to go with either a silver glitter or a white glitter on one of my fingers. So I got those. And then I'm going to put on a jewel. Any type of jewel I want. And then I have my acrylic liquid in this container. And I don't have like those like actual like nail clippers that you just like. I'll put up a picture because I suck at explaining things. I'm just going to use some scissors. And I'll file my shape. Last time I did my acrylics, I just kept them this long length, and I just did this hand because like I wasn't ready to do this one. But now we're just gonna give ourselves like a full-on manicure. I'm gonna try to put you guys at a different angle, and if it sucks, I am so sorry. I'm not very well at showing you guys like this down version. Like, does that make sense? No, it doesn't. Of course it doesn't. I don't make sense. But I'm just gonna try my best, and if it's horrible, I am so sorry. But yeah, let's get to that clip. Alright guys, so this is the best angle I could get. So I'm gonna take my glue and my nail and just put glue on it like usual. That's a lot of glue, so that's gonna take forever to get off. And then I'm just gonna press that on my nail and hold it down for a few seconds. That's already stuck. And it hurts. I think it's straight. Let me check if it's straight. It's crooked. Of course. We're gonna work with it. It looks bad. I hate long nails. So I'm gonna clip them down so it's gonna be easier for me to do the nail on the other side. And I'm just gonna do my desired length. I'm just gonna go like about just like that, because that's good enough for me. I don't want them too short or too long. Alright, they look decent. Now I'm just gonna file them, and we're gonna see if I can file pretty good. This is also much harder doing it on yourself. It's so much easier to do it on someone else. Let's try to do this. I'm super scared. I feel like I should not add these nails and I should just do the other one first. We're gonna go in and do this. Oh my god. It popped off. Go back on. I might need a hand, and I'm struggling. Okay, let's do this again, shall we? And if this one is the first one to fall off, it's okay. Why is this so difficult? So now we're gonna put the acrylic on. Yay! And my nail did split at the top, like the tip split, but it's okay. I fixed it. I fix it. And I'm gonna do light acrylic because I don't want it to be too thick. So just like that, and that's perfect for me. Oh no, I forgot to do a step. So as you guys can see, it kind of looks bad because I forgot to file down the tip with my thing. So this one looks very jaggedy and messed up. So I'm going to file down the other nail before I do anything specific. Alright guys, my acrylic is on. And now it's time to do some more shaping and filing down. So we have those perfect nail salon nails. So I'm going to take my 180 file, my 100 by 180 grip file, and I'm just going to kind of give them a nice shape again. Grab my color, which is this Private Viewing from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to place it on my thumb, on my fingers that I want painted. So yeah, I'm going to do that. to be taking my UV light and letting them sit under there for a while. And I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm letting my nails bake. I'm gonna do this hand off camera, but I'm gonna finish this hand. I already did a second coat and I'm waiting so I can do this UV gel and add my glitter on. So I think I'm just gonna take them out now. They're looking a bit crappy, but that's okay because I'll fix them up. So I'm gonna open up my UV gel stuff. It's super sticky. And I'm going to take this makeup brush that I don't even use, so that's why I used it for my nails, and dip it in there, stringy, and add this on top of this one. I should have done it neat or else my glitter is going to go everywhere. Okay, so I'm back. My nails are still wet, but I have to put this underneath the light again. So I have my glitter right here. I'm just going to go in with this white one. I told you guys that I had two options, but I decided to go with this really cute white glitter. I'm just going to smack that onto my nail, making sure to get everywhere the UV gel did, so it's full and pretty. Alright guys, I'm going in with, oh no, I just messed that up. A top coat. I can't open it. Can you open it? And I'm going to go in with a star gem. So I'm getting some pointy tweezers, trying to grab my star. And I'm going to put it on both this finger and this finger. And then I'm going to have to re-top coat them so the gem stays in place. Just like that. Move that out of the way slightly. Pick it up. Place it right there. Right in the middle. And top coating my glitter one. It's very fun and cute. Sealing it all in. Sending it in a timer again. Now I'll officially be back with you guys when both my hands are done, and then you guys have to see my face again. Okay guys, here's my finished nails. They look pretty cute. I'm sorry, I'm yelling. I'm sorry. Okay, I don't know why my left hand looks better than my right hand, because honestly this pinky looks so bad. But then you look at this one and it's like, oh my gosh. I think it's because this hand, I did file down my nail to my natural nail. And this hand, I forgot to do that because I just really wanted to show you guys if I could do it or not. But yeah, I really like them. I added little star jewels on the fingers like that. And also on my middle fingers, I added some white glitter. And they're just pretty nude. It's a nude color, and they're cute. I'm proud of myself. But enough being said, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you didn't, you can thumb it down. It's okay. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel to make sure you guys are part of the family. And I love y'all. See you guys next time, and bye.